What are you doing, little guy? You okay? The little bird. Hi. What you doing? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to be so loud. Sorry, I'm taking I think his nest is up there. I think the bird's nest is up there and I'm freaking him out because I was taking the fan out of my window. Just a little guy. And where he went. Oh, I think that's it. That's his nest right there. It's gotta be. I feel bad. Sorry about. I don't know if I'm gonna upload this video just as is like that. But I feel bad. I was disturbing his nest like that. I didn't realize his nest was right outside the window. He or she fluttered. The bird fluttered along the window last night, and I was like, "Oh, is that a bat?" Because it just started flapping against the window while I was adjusting those frames. While I was adjusting just the window itself, because it sucks. Come on. And started fluttering against the window like that. And I was like, oh, it must have been a bat. Must have scared a bat or something. But no, it's a little bird. I guess he lives there. That's so cute. I hope to see him again.